Everybody wants to be able to do the fancy saute where you do it with one hand. You know, it looks really cool instead of using, you know, a spatula. So I have some rice here so that you can use this technique at home and practice yourself. You want to push forward and then towards you, but slowly. The edge, this part right here, will push the rice or the beans or the onions or whatever back into the pan. Back, and then as you get better at it. Now this, I do have to look at it. I know with cutting onions, I always say, oh look, I can put my finger here and not, but you do need to be looking at this. Forward and back. Oops. So you want to move forward and back. So then after you get the hang of it, and I do it with two hands. If you have a good wrist, then you could do it with one hand. And that is how you do the fancy chef food that you see on all the TV shows. Voila. I'm gonna show you how to pick asparagus. The heads should be tightly together. Let me show you an example. This asparagus is nice and tight. This one, you know, doesn't look that great. I'm gonna show you how to cut this. Now, normally you will see people that will be saying, and this is a waste, this is waste. They will say, oh, the woody part, you wanna get rid of it. So then they'll just chop it. They'll grab it and they'll say, oh, the woody part, just chop it here. And then you're wasting this much. That's food, okay? There's no reason for it. There's other people that will say, grab the asparagus and then this is the part that you eat. And what do you do with this? You just paid for it. $2.99 a pound. So yes, this is a woody part, but it's woody because of the skin. And let me tell you the secret. Now this is a little bit, it takes a little bit of effort to do it, but if you're gonna do asparagus and have people say, wow, this is delicious and wonderful, it's basically because you peeled the asparagus. Just like that. And I know when you're thinking, well, you know, I'm really not gonna peel asparagus, but now you can eat this part. It's woody because the skin on the outside makes it thicker. Now I can eat it. And if you go to any good restaurant, they peel the asparagus and that's what you paid for. And now you have the asparagus peeled and you're not wasting this part because some person or some blogger said that you should go like this and cut it. No, don't waste this. You want to peel it. And now you can have the entire asparagus and you're not wasting this. Pretty good. We need to talk about something really serious. We have to talk about something more important than making sure that you place your fingers in the correct spot when you're cutting onions or something. I want to talk to you about this. This is very dangerous, and this is why it's dangerous. It needs something for it not to move. See how it's moving across? It's kind of like I'm playing a Ouija board. Very bad. If you're gonna cut something and you don't have something under here to keep it in place, you can cut your hand really bad. You don't want that. Easy solution, get a wet rag, put it on the bottom, and now you're free to cut without cutting your hand. And that's how you use a cutting board correctly.